Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, term 3, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is measurement, and this is our lecture number 7. Today's topic is measuring capacity, and the subtopics of this topic is number 1, non-standard units of capacity, and number 2, standard units of capacity. Measuring capacity. Page number 15. First of all, beta, we will study about non-standard units of capacity. Find the capacity of the following containers as shown. What do you mean by non-standard units of capacity, beta? When we compare a big container with the small one. Okay, so let's see how. Here in A part, this kettle is given and this kettle is equal to these cups. ठीक है, मीन्स जो कैपेसिटी है इस केटल की, यानी कि इस केटल में जितनी भी टी या कॉफी आ सकते हैं, ठीक है, जब हम उसको पोर करेंगे तो वो किसके इक्वल होगा? इन कप्स के इक्वल. ठीक है, तो हाउ मेनी कप्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4. So here the capacity of one kettle is equal to 4 cups. Okay, so how we can write it? That one kettle is equal to dash cups. So here we will write 4 cups because here kettle is equal to 4 cups. Understood, beta? Now in B part, here is a jerrycan, okay, and here are buckets. ठीक है, now beta we have to find out that one jerrycan is equal to dash buckets. Okay, one jerrycan is equal to dash buckets. So here we can see that we have only two buckets. It means one jerrycan capacity is equal to two buckets capacity. So here we will write 2. Okay, now in C part, here you can see there is a pot and here are the kettles. So here what is the question? One pot is equal to dash kettles. So here one pot is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 kettles. Okay, so here we will write 3. So what do you mean by it, beta? That the capacity of one pot is equal to the capacity of 3 kettles. Okay. Now in D part, beta, there is one tank and there are some buckets. Okay, now what do you mean by this picture? That the capacity of this tank is equal to the capacities of these buckets. Okay, so here one tank is equal to dash buckets. That is, we need to count how many buckets are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 buckets are there, so we will write here 7. So the capacity of one tank is equal to the capacities of these 7 buckets. Okay. Now in E part, one jug is there and there are some glasses. So here the capacity of this jug is equal to the capacities of these glasses. Okay. So one jug is equal to dash glasses. So here we need to count the number of glasses which are given to us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the capacity of this one jug is equal to the capacities of 12 glasses. So here we will write 12. Okay, beta? Now in F part, there is a bottle and there are some glasses. So here the capacity of this bottle is equal to the capacities of these glasses. Okay. So here one bottle is equal to dash glasses. So we need to count the number of glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will write 5. So this is the non-standard units of capacity. Okay, beta. Now page number 16. Question number 2. In each row, circle the container with the highest capacity. What do you mean by it, beta? We have given 2 rows in this question, okay, and we have to circle the container. Container क्या होता है? जो बेटा वेसल होता है या जिसके अंदर हम लिक्विड थिंग्स डालते हैं उसे हम कंटेनर बोलते हैं, ठीक है। विद द हाईएस्ट कैपेसिटी, हाईएस्ट मीन्स सबसे ज्यादा, ठीक है। तो मीन्स हमें उस कंटेनर को सर्कल करना है जिसके अंदर सबसे ज्यादा लिक्विड थिंग आ सकती है। ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस here in A part. This one glass is there, okay, then one tank is there, then one bottle is there, and this is the tetra pack of mango shake. Okay, so beta here we need to circle the container with the highest capacity, ठीक है। तो ये तो बेटा देख सकते हैं हम इसमें कि ग्लास के अंदर मिलीलीटर आता है, बॉटल में भी मिलीलीटर आता है, एंड इन टेट्रा पैक ऑल्सो मिलीलीटर इज देयर। ओके, सो here in this figure, the capacity of tank is highest. ठीक है, so this container has the highest capacity. That's why we will circle it like this. Okay, beta. Now in B part, here we have a jug, bucket, can of Coke, and bottle of Pepsi. Okay, so here which container has the highest capacity? That is bucket. So here we will circle this bucket like this. Okay beta. Now beta, the standard units of capacity. Standard unit क्या है capacity की? So here we measure liquids like milk, oil, petrol and water in liters or milliliters. ठीक है बेटा, तो जब हम किसी भी थिंग को लिक्विड थिंग, ठीक है, को लीटर और मिलीलीटर में मेजर करते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स ऑफ कैपेसिटी, ठीक है। क्योंकि लिक्विड थिंग्स के अंदर जब हम कोई चीज मार्केट से खरीदने जाते हैं, ठीक है, तो हम उसे लीटर और मिलीलीटर की फॉर्म में परचेज करते हैं बेटा। ओके, और मिल्क, ऑयल, पेट्रोल एंड वाटर, दीज आर द लिक्विड थिंग्स। Okay, we measure these liquid things in liters or milliliters. So here are some pictures. So here this is the picture of oil tanker. So oil tanker is measured in liters. ठीक है, ये किस में मेजर होता है बेटा? लीटर्स में, क्योंकि इसकी कैपेसिटी जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा होती है। Now this is a bottle, वाटर बॉटल भी कह सकते हैं हम इसे, मिल्क बॉटल भी कह सकते हैं। ओके, एंड दिस इज बकेट। जब हम बकेट में लिक्विड थिंग डालते हैं तो वो लीटर्स में मेजर होता है। ओके, एंड दिस इज द पेट्रोल पंप फिगर। यहां से हम पेट्रोल भरवाने जाते हैं ना जब कार के अंदर, सो दिस इज द पेट्रोल पंप फिगर एंड वी मेजर पेट्रोल इन लीटर्स। ओके, we measure small quantities in milliliters and large quantities in liters. ठीक है बेटा, जो स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज होती हैं उन्हें हम मिलीलीटर्स में, लीटर्स में मेजर करते हैं, और जो लार्ज क्वांटिटीज हैं उन्हें हम लीटर्स में मेजर करते हैं। 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीलीटर्स। 1 लीटर जो है बेटा उसमें 1000 मिलीलीटर्स होते हैं। ठीक है, here we can write it like this. L is the short form of liter and ml is the short form of milliliters. Okay, half liter is equal to 500 milliliter. Half means 1 लीटर का आधा हो गया बेटा, और यहाँ पे 1 लीटर जो है वो 1000 मिलीलीटर्स के इक्वल है। That's why half liter is equal to 1000 divided by 2 and is equal to 500 milliliters. लीटर इज द बेस यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटी। लीटर जो है वो हमारी बेस यूनिट है कैपेसिटी की। ओके बेटा, वी मेजर्ड ऑल लिक्विड थिंग्स इन लीटर्स और milliliters, so you have to always remember it. There are some small measures and milliliter to measure small quantities of liquid. Such measures are 500 milliliter, 200 milliliters, 100 milliliters or 50 milliliters. Large quantities measures in liter. Okay beta, so always you have to remember that liquid things are measured in liters or milliliters. जो छोटी measures होते हैं उन्हें हम milliliters में measure करते हैं, और जो लार्ज क्वांटिटी की वेसल्स होते हैं, कंटेनर होते हैं, उसे हम लीटर्स में मेजर करते हैं. ओके. नाउ बेटा एक्टिविटी ऑफ पेज नंबर 17. How would you measure the following? Write L or ml. Okay. Now beta, let's see what is given to us. There is an A part, oil tanker is given. Okay. Now what is our question? That is water or oil in a tanker. Now we have to tell that water or oil in a tanker, we can measure it in liter और milliliters. ठीक है. तो ये यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं बेटा कि जो oil tanker है that is very big. So big capacities are measured in liters. I told you earlier. So here whether there is an oil or water, we measure it in liters. Okay. So here we will write its answer L. L for liters. Capital L. Now beta, there is a bottle of milk. Okay. So now we have to tell that the milk in a bottle, we can measure it in liter or milliliter. And you can see there is a small bottle of milk. Okay. So this milk bottle, we can measure the capacity of this milk bottle is in milliliters. Okay. Now this is the cold drink bottle. Okay, so cold drink and a bottle, we can measure it in milliliters. If it depends on the size of the bottle beta, if the size is larger, then we can measure it in liters, and if the size of bottle is smaller, then we can measure it in milliliters. So here the size is smaller, so we can measure it in milliliters. Okay. B part. There is a water tank. Okay, and water in a tank we can measure it in liters क्योंकि जो tank की capacity होती है वो liters में होती है. Okay. Now beta in E part, what is given to us here? A Coke can is given to us, and we have to tell that how we can measure it in liters or milliliters. So here you can see this Coke can is smaller in size, that's why it has smaller capacity, and we measure smaller capacities in milliliters. Okay, so Pepsi in a tin or can, we measure it in milliliters. Okay beta. Now in F part, there is a medicine bottle. Beta, in your book the medicine bottle which is given, in that bottle there are medicines in the form of tablets. ठीक है. And tablets we can measure it in milligrams, but the liquid medicines we can measure medicines in a bottle which is in liquid form, that we can measure it in milliliters. उसे हम milliliters में measure करते हैं. Understood? Now beta, HOTS of page number 17. What do you mean by HOTS beta? Higher order thinking skill. This is the full form of what? Higher order thinking skill. जब हमें किसी चीज के लिए ज्यादा सोचना पड़ता है तो हम उसे कहते हैं HOTS. Okay, higher order thinking skills. Now, what is the question? Read the questions and check the most suitable for each. ठीक है, हमें यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन को रीड करना है और हमें टिक करना है उसको जो मोस्ट सुटेबल है, जो बिल्कुल सही है. ठीक है. So let's see what is given to us. Here in A part, this is given, Anju has invited 5 friends for her party. अंजू ने अपने 5 फ्रेंड्स को पार्टी में इनवाइट किया. Which size of cola bottle should she buy? तो जब उसने अपनी फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट किया तो वो उन्हें कोला पिलाना चाहती है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक. ठीक है, तो वो कौन सी बोतल खरीदेगी? दिस There are 3 options. First option is 300 milliliter. Second option is 1 liter. And third option is 500 milliliter. Okay. So beta, here which type of bottle is the most suitable. So here we have 5 friends plus 1 Anju is there. Okay, so there are total 6 those who want to drink cola. Okay, so that's why 1 liter bottle is suitable. ओके अगर वो 1 लीटर की बॉटल परचेज करेगी तो उसमें से सब लोग आराम से कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी सकते हैं ओके सो वी विल टेक 1 लीटर कोल्ड ड्रिंक अंडरस्टूड बेटा नाउ बेटा today's homework do HOTS parts B and C okay these are the HOTS questions mom is making milkshake for Shivani and Arun how much milk should she buy okay 100 milliliter 500 milliliter or 1 liter you have to give the suitable figure अमित इज थर्स्टी विच पैकेट ऑफ जूस शुड ही बाय ठीक है अमित जो है वो प्यासा है और उसे जूस लेना है तो वो अपने लिए कौन सा जूस लेगा कौन सी कैपेसिटी का 200 मिलीलीटर 1/2 का मतलब होता है 500 मिलीलीटर्स एंड और 1 लीटर ठीक है दिस इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 17 ऑफ योर book you have to do these two parts B part and C part of a HOTS question. Now beta the homework solution of lecture number 6. So I had given you sums of subtraction of page number 12. Okay. Question number 2 part E. So here it is given kilograms and grams 85 kilograms 600 grams and 20 kilograms 210 grams. Now we have to subtract these numbers. So we will put minus sign. So let's start from our right hand side. Okay, so 0 minus 0 that is equal to 0 and 0 minus 1 that is not possible. So what we will do here beta? We will take borrow and this 0 will become 10 and the 6 will become 5 ठीक है मैम ने आपको पहले भी बताया था बेटा जो नंबर बोरो लेता है वो अपने आप में 10 ऐड करता है और जो नंबर बोरो देता है वो अपने में से 1 माइनस करता है ओके सो नाउ 10 minus 9 and when we subtract 1 from any number we will get the previous number of that and here the number is 10 and when we subtract 1 from 10 the previous number of 10 is 9 so here we will write 9 okay now 5 minus 2 and that is equal to 3 so here we will write 3 now 5 minus 0 we will get the same number and that is 5 here 8 minus 2 so keep 8 in your mind open your two fingers now we have to speak backward counting 7 6 so here we will write 6 so what is our answer 65 kilograms and 390 grams understood beta now in F part so here again kilogram and grams are given 99 kilograms 700 grams okay and we have to subtract 10 kilograms 300 grams so we will put minus sign here 0 minus 0 that is equal to 0 0 minus 0 again 0 7 minus 3 so here keep 7 in your mind and open your three fingers now we have to speak backward counting because we are subtracting the numbers okay so start backward counting 6 5 4 so here we will write 4 okay and 9 minus 0 we will get the same number that is 9 and 9 minus 1 we will get the previous number so here we will write 8 so what is our answer that is 89 kilograms 400 grams okay now question number 5 Rama weighs 39 kilograms his brother weighs 14 kilograms what is the difference in their weights ठीक है रामा ने जब अपना वेट किया तो उसका वेट था 39 किलोग्राम ठीक है और उसके ब्रदर ने वेट किया तो उसका वेट कितना है 14 किलोग्राम now we have to find out the difference and to find out the difference we need to subtract both the numbers okay so here first of all we will write 39 kilograms because this is the greater number okay and below 39 we will write 14 kilograms now we have to subtract both the numbers so we will put minus sign here keep 9 in your mind and 4 on your fingers now we have to speak backward counting. Let's start. 8, 7, 6, 5. So here we will write 5. And 3 minus 1, we will get the previous number of 3, and that is 2. Okay, and here we will write unit, that is kilograms. Okay, so now we have to write its answer, that is the difference between their weights is 25 kilograms. इन दोनों के weight में कितना difference है? 25 kilograms का. Okay, now beta question number 6. Raju can carry 56 kilogram weight and Sham can carry 43 kilogram weight. Who can carry more weight and by how much? ठीक है. So what do you mean by this question बेटा? कि राजू जो है वो 56 किलोग्राम वेट जो है वो कैरी कर सकता है यानी उठा सकता है, और शाम जो है वो 43 किलोग्राम वेट उठा सकता है. Now we have two questions here. Who can carry more weight? कि कौन ज्यादा वेट उठा सकता है, and by how much, और कितना ज्यादा उठा सकता है. Okay, so here you can see that Raju can carry 56 kilogram and Sham can carry 43 kilograms. So from these two numbers, which one is greater? That is 56 kilograms. So first question is clear that Raju can carry more weight. Okay, now we have to find out by how much. So to find out by how much, we need to subtract both the numbers. So let's start subtraction. First of all, we will write 56 kilograms, and below 56 kilograms we have to write 43 kilograms. Now we have to put sign of minus. Let's start. 6 minus 3, and that is equal to 3. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So here we will write kilograms. Okay, unit. Now what is our answer beta? That Raju can carry 13 किलोग्राम मोर वेट, है ना. राजू जो है वो 13 किलोग्राम ज्यादा वजन उठा सकता है. अंडरस्टूड? थैंक यू.